What good, family? It's your boy, man. We back at it again, man. The freedom fight continue, man. The fight against white supremacy continue, man. And I continue to put it on the line to try to better my people and try to better the situation and try to lead the world a better place after I leave than it was, you know what I'm saying, before I got here. So, of course, I got to call out some bullshit today that this is the first fucking story. When I started to look for the news today, this is the first fucking story that appeared. And it's about the Galveston police. And they got a dude, they arrested him. And these police officers, they on horses. So in order to get him to the station or wherever they were taking him to, they had him walk. They were walking him with the handcuffs attached to a rope coming from one of the officers. And they walked him like some cattle or just some age-old slave shit. But anyway, I talked enough. I probably will talk some more after this shit, but I am going to play this 2-minute clip right quick. So let's see.
A controversial arrest beginning to go viral on social media. It's a photo of Galveston police officers on horseback leading a cuffed black man with what appears to be a rope. Channel 2's Jacob Rascone live tonight to explain. Jacob?
Yeah, Dominique, the Galveston police chief is apologizing tonight. The department is doing away with the practice of mounted police escorting handcuffed suspects using a line or a rope. The family attorney of the man arrested says the man is bipolar and homeless. In fact, the family had been looking for him for years. The photos show Galveston police officers Brosh and Smith on horseback escorting 43-year-old Donald Neely using a rope. Attorney Melissa Morris represents the family.
I'm appalled. I believe that the way that they handled him is disgusting. And the family is offended. The family is upset.
Neely had been warned several times not to trespass at a certain building, but did anyway, the police chief said. The officers handcuffed him, clipped a rope to the cuffs, and escorted Neely to a staging area a couple of blocks away. Disgusting and unnecessary, one person commented. Inhumane, wrote another. But some disagreed. This is common protocol, one person wrote. I'm not seeing the controversy.
Someone just happened to be driving by and saw this and was so, upset at the way that it looked. Just the humiliating nature of the way that he was arrested.
First and foremost, I must apologize to Mr. Neely for this unnecessary embarrassment, the police chief said in a statement. He would happen a trained technique used in some scenarios. But I believe our officers showed poor judgment and could have waited for a transport unit. He insisted his officers had no malicious intent, but we have immediately changed the policy, he wrote, to prevent the use of this technique and will review all mounted training and procedures for more appropriate methods. The family attorney says she's exploring all legal options and says that those who are mentally ill should be cared for in a compassionate way. But the family is happy to know that Mr. Neely is there, and in fact, his sister is there looking for him right now. You can read the full Galveston Police statement on our website, click2houston.com. We're live tonight. Jacob Rascone, Bill and Dominique, back to you.
Okay, family. So we got a slight dosage of what happened. You know, there was a bipolar man, black man, of course. You know, he had apparently been warned not to trespass on whatever area that he was at. So the arresting officers, you know, they did what they did. They led him to the staging area while they was on their horse and he was walking. And they had him like a fucking dog when they could have easily waited till the mobile unit came and took him in or whatever. And then, like I said, most of this stuff always go back to familiar points with me. You know, this is just basically a good old power play, just a good power play and a good, public display of we still in control and I'm the police and you got to do what I say and don't fucking question my authority. All of that shit. Even though they came back and changed the policy, but why in the fuck in 2019 in this post-racial society and this liberated society and equality for everybody, why is a law like that still on the books where you can allow a motherfucker to be led like a mule to, you know what I'm saying, treated like you treating them like the animal that you riding on right now. So it's just a crazy situation, and I don't even got it in me to go on a big rant about this shit, because it was pretty awful just to see anyway. And if you're familiar with my videos, then you pretty much know how I feel about this shit, man. So let me know how you feel about this situation. Let me know if it's atrocious, or let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know that this look like a common protocol to you. You know, it's a discussion. You don't got to feel like I feel, but I do feel like I operate out of 99% common sense. So, hey. Anyway, it's your boy, Godly Mind State. Like, subscribe, share my shit, bro.